This video will show you how to prepare the cell and start the crystal experiment. So we get the 3D printed cell top and bottom, and we need to get the copper wires through this hole in the center of the cell top and cell bottom, like this. And then we have 2 layers of anodized aluminum. And then we need to put the gasket. The gasket will hold the solution. We need to turn on the stirring plate and keep it stirring. Then we need to prepare the acetonitrile solution before putting into the cell. This is the acetonitrile solution with the paracetamol inside, and it is already prepared and it's super saturated. If you are preparing a new solution, we keep the stirring plate stirring, keep the temperature at room temperature. You just keep adding the paracetamol until you can see crystals form under room temperature. And then you want to dissolve the crystals into the solution. You just increase the temperature. That will help dissolving the crystals. Just be careful to keep the temperature under 81 degrees Celsius. That's the boiling point of acetonitrile. And then after making sure the solution is super saturated, we can use a pipette to move the solution into the cell. We use the 101. And then we can close the cell. We use a clamp to compress the cell. And then put it into a plastic bag. The green wire itself goes to the bottom. And both the red wire and the white wire are connected to the top. One of them is the reference electrode and another one is the working electrode. Be careful not to let the 2 wires connect each other, or it will create a short circuit. And then we can put the cell into the water bath, which is already prepared and at a lower temperature. And then it's a time to start the software.